Did you know one man personally executed 7,000 people in 28 nights and then went home to sleep? His name was Vasily Blokhin. He was the Soviet Union's chief executioner, and he treated mass murder like a job. In the spring of 1940, Stalin ordered the killing of Polish military officers, priests, and intellectuals. Blokhin was given the assignment. He packed his own kit, a leather butcher's apron, long gloves, and a bag of German Walther pistols, chosen because they wouldn't jam under heavy use. Every night, prisoners were led into a soundproofed room one by one. Blokhin shot each one in the base of the skull, then the next, then the next. He averaged around 250 killings per night. He was decorated for it, given a bonus, celebrated by the state. Then Stalin died. The Soviet Union no longer needed men like Blokhin. He was quietly discarded, stripped of his rank, and left with nothing but what he had done. He drank himself to death by 1955. The most disturbing part is not that a monster did this, it's that a man did. A man with a routine.